What to make a video about today? It's been a while since I've uploaded on YouTube. Maybe months, actually. Maybe I should apologize to my subscribers. They'd appreciate that. Or maybe a challenge video. Or maybe a get to know you video. Nah, those are pretty lame ideas. Wait. I've got it! How to be an artist. Yeah, that's good. Hello. Ooh, the camera's a little too far up. I can't move that. Hold on, let me put on some heels real quick. That's better. Ugh, hold on. I'm sorry. I swear I can walk in, I promise. That's better. Okay. Hello, and welcome to Trinity's Wonderful World of Weird. So, as you can tell from that skit from the beginning of the video, I'm going to teach you guys how to draw. These are 5 tips and tricks on how to become an artist. Let's go. Yes, I'm actually wearing heels. You want to see? Okay, not that, but see? Step 1, get into anime. Dude, anime gets like character poses embedded in your mind. You ever seen a character like this? Seen a character like this? Seen a character like this? You have if you've watched anime. You sure definitely have, I think.
Still alive or not? And they're serious villains.
Open up! The villagers told us who's in there. We are the Order of the Beard of the Mountain Cat, serving under the Holy Knights from the foot of the mountain. Wandering Rust Knight, member of the 7 Deadly Sins, come out and do so peacefully.
What's the matter with them?
Oh my god. Meliodas is so hot.
I don't think
It also helps you come up with dope character designs, like sicko, man. They'll have like a freaking lightning rod in one hand, then the other hand is like behind their back because you don't draw hands. And like amazing, like when I tell you every artist has had an anime face. Every single one. I promise. Serious, I promise. Step 2. Start drawing people. Now, you can ask for permission. You might not. You might. Things happen, you know? Just make sure you always take a picture of that artwork because the people you draw, once you tell them that you drew them, obviously. The people you draw are either going to want to take the picture for themselves or they're going to want you to throw it away. So yeah. Hey Janico, can I draw you? I would prefer if you didn't, but I mean, I guess. Okay. Step 3. Follow artist accounts on Instagram. So, when you start following artist accounts on Instagram, you will start scrolling through so many art posts. Why do I keep slapping my fist? You are going to start scrolling through so many art posts. It's going to be ridiculous. And a lot of them are really helpful. Like, I've used them in my art. They help you with perspective. They help you with anatomy. They help you with character poses. Like, it's cool. And it also allows you to mindlessly scroll through your feed without doing any art yourself. Artist relates. EMZ drawings. God, how did she do that on paper, bro? Jesus Christ, she good. Lena is blue pancake art. Oh, that's nice. Oh my god. Step 4, stop drawing. Now, I know you're like, what? Why would I stop drawing? That doesn't even make sense. But I'm telling you, I follow all these tips and tricks, and that's how I got this wall right here. I need to stop moving around because these heels are starting to hurt my feet. That's how I learned all these tips and tricks. And yeah, so just stop drawing, you know, find a TV show to binge, keep scrolling through Instagram, you know what I mean? Watch some more anime, read the entire Harry Potter book series. Yeah, just look at other people's artwork and be like, huh, I draw. That was nice. You know what I mean?
Three people. I'm not
Ooh.
perfect. If we did this, we'd be operating under the assumption that Deschambault has never met the courier face to face. It's too risky. He's right.
Crazy. Well, that's a funny caption.
If you really wanted to talk, I should meet with her.
Every time you meet, someone ends up dead.
We've gotten off to a rocky start.
Oh, that's nice. Oh my god. Imagine if I could draw like that. Amazing. Oh my god. Last but not least, step 5. Start back up again. So, I know that after you start drawing for a while, it's going to be really hard to start back up, but I'm telling you, it's worth it. It's very important that you continue to keep drawing. This wall, I hadn't added to it for 6 months before I added the next character. I'm telling you, you gotta start back up again. It's gonna suck. You're gonna hate your art. You're gonna be looking at your stuff like, oh my god, this is terrible. And my advice to you, when you look at your art and say, oh my god, this is terrible, look at something you created a year ago, even a week ago. Let's be honest, even a week ago. Look at something you created a month ago and just be like, huh, this is so much better compared to what was the last month in the year? February. This is so much better compared to February. You know what I mean? So yeah, you're probably gonna end up disliking your own art, and that's okay because it's normal and it happens to a lot of people, and it's kind of unavoidable, really. I mean, it's not unavoidable, but most people don't avoid it, if you know what I mean. Start drawing again. Step 5, start drawing again. Start drawing again. Oh my god, it's so horrible. It doesn't even look like a chick. Thank you for watching Trinity's Wonderful World of Weird. Those tips were weird and you're probably not gonna follow them, but that is actually how I do things. It's probably not good. Probably not the best way to do art, but that is how I do things. So yeah. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to follow my Instagram at muffs121. Also my business Instagram at Trinity's Treasures. This quarantine is driving me freaking nuts and everyone's canceling their parties and no one's buying anything and I'm broke. But yeah, also follow my brother's Instagram page at TC's Treasure Box, and you can add me on Snapchat if you want to at try.jones121. But yeah, I already said my outro. That was, oops. Bye. Finally take these heels off. So short.